crouch down next to it and throw some cool gang signs or something. Yeah, okay, there we go. Oh.
No, he was my knee.
All right, well, we're waiting on this other side skirt for this thing to set up. Well, he's waiting because he doesn't want to mess it up. You know, being smart. We don't do that often. I know they're so blacked out. But he ordered some in-channel rain guards, drip guards. So he's fingering his window seal.
This makes no sense.
And he's gonna try and put it in. Is it in? Those actually don't look bad.
They really do look good.
Yeah.
I dig it.
We're gonna have to do a video on both these cars, the BRZ and the Focus, like a dedicated, like, go through them, show them off.
Well, I feel like the BRZ had that back in 2016, and it hasn't had one since.
No, but we gotta get like the car, and then gotta get you hooning it and stuff, and driving it.
Joe had his big lens on, I guess, and I was drifting around him yesterday. Like, I was doing really good, but it was so zoomed in you couldn't really see it. Yeah.
Had the 50 on, Joe?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to get some really neat video because I mean the car is gorgeous.
Anybody wants to buy some Subaru wheels and tires?
Yeah, they're 2016 factory.
Yeah, BRZ wheels. Wright Garage will sponsor you. We'll give you those wheels if you give us $300. It's a good deal.
I will have stickers made if somebody literally comments on the video and buys them. Yeah, leave a comment if you want to see a dedicated video to this gorgeous machine, and then this one also. Alright, so Dylan wanted to take a shower. We've been told we can't use the garage, but as long as you guys don't tell, it'll be fine. Joseph is trying to put, careful, you're going to let it pull down and like ruin the finish. He's trying to put the last window guard on, but it won't go. So he's going to trim it up a little bit here on the old wire wheel.
And
escalators, escalators, escalators.
eels.
Eels. Well, I'm afraid to tell you what's going on. He just got it to work, but if you didn't notice, it's a little broken in half.
Cracked back here
because it broke back here while he was trying to install it. You know, aggravation gets the best of everybody. And then he broke it in half and ripped all the other ones out. But she's in. Just reinstall the other ones.
Yeah.
What?
So I finally got it in. I was putting it in a few minutes ago, and it decided to crack. So the only sensible thing to do is snap it clean in half, and then the two pieces go in perfect.
But don't forget the fact that you ripped all the other three out.
Yeah.
Jasper, hi! I haven't seen you in a long time, bud. fucking like 8. I gotta bleep it. Come here. This is some real hood rat right here. I'm telling you.
Get close over them tars.
Them tars or tires?
Them tars.
Oh my god.
Because they're tarred.
Them tars are tarred. Oh, ow, ow, ow. That's hot. Push and hold. Hey, Dylan. Video this.
Okay.
Wow. Nobody likes to tune around here. Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Ain't that easy.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Ain't that
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Ain't that easy.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. I ain't gonna leave you alone. You will not get back in that car. What the hell, dog? Give me a hug.
All right. Okay.
Hey, will you guys kiss? Bet you won't. I bet you won't kiss him. Oh, they kissed. He kissed him.
Did you catch my reference? Oh, coyotes are